So we just pulled up along the highway here and we come across this. I keep seeing this cafe on the highway all the time and I keep wanting to pull in and check it out. And so here it says feel the nature, jungle vibes, Rayrai Cafe. And I'll just show you the outside of it, what it looks like here. So you got these little seating areas. Got the sort of outdoor area here where people come sit, eat, and you can feel the vibe here. It's just a really nice sort of relaxing nature vibe. And so you can come here with friends, a little bit of music playing, but just look at this place, it's nice. Look at this cute little water fountain. So it's open from 8 AM to 8 PM. Nice interior. Nice sort of setup in here. Look at this one, relaxing here. So what's the coffee like? Did you try it? Try the coffee, tell me what it's like. Is it nice? It's good coffee here actually. Maybe on the highway driving along here, it might be worth a stop. Because you look at this environment behind us, you're sitting here amongst the trees, sitting here amongst nature. And yeah, you got the highway in the distance, but at least you got shade here. And yeah. Looks like there's other sort of snacks in there too, but I didn't really look at the menu. But yeah, at least that's what I was after, was the good iced coffee. Anyway, yeah, give this place a go.